Everybody, you're not going to be getting a tool video most likely today. Why? Because this '03 Durango lighting sucks. Facts. We'll be getting a new transmission. We got the old transmission out. We're returning for a core. Since it's a brand new transmission for warranty purposes, it's getting a newer radiator and a new transmission cooler. Since lines hooked both, this line on the transmission cooler down there is being a bitch. It does not want to come loose. I've been spraying the heck out of it. Once that's done, I will be rebuilding the front diff. I will probably film the front diff. It's not a super long process. Maybe break it up over a couple of videos. As you see, we're using the pit for the transmission. Gotta love the pit. We did get some new lighting in there installed. It's only temporary, as you see right there. But the engine for this will be getting rebuilt probably next week. Since I'm done with this, I should have everything in for it. I spoke to Harbor Freight regarding back probe kit. And I don't mean the local store, I spoke to corporate. They said this is wrong. Just like I said, you cannot have a double male for an extension. You need to have an insert on one side. We used this ratchet quite a few times yesterday. The little bitty one that you guys will be seeing today. It's an awesome little ratchet. $6 in TMU, size of my finger. That ratchet actually impresses me. But garage is busy. Add-ons being built over there right now. When I get time. When the add-on is done, the gray shelves, welder, plasma cutters. I might keep the small welder over here. The steel working box, all them grinders and metalworking tools will all be over there. Supplies will be over there, such and such. We need to get a bigger toolbox. Both these toolboxes are maxed out. And to the point where I'm running out of room, I can't even shut the drawers right. Well, shutting the drawers is one thing, opening them is another. So I would like for this whole wall here to be basically from there to there, toolbox. We did stick my one little go-kart down there, and with the tools on it, it's down there. That's probably going to stay there, but garage is busy again, and just when you get a little bit slow time, boom. We did get some of the wiring done for lights down there. The wire has not been mounted yet. It's just there, hooked up to the breaker box. That way we had light. But, yep, that's where we're at, folks. I wish I was able to have more time to get shit done for you guys. And I know people say it's only a 5-minute video. A 5-minute video takes 30 minutes. I didn't get to bed last night until 2 this morning, and I came back out here at 5:30. That's some bread for my piggies, things you guys don't see, but I love anti-biting people. Actually, there we go, my door. That sign criticizes you out the door. I don't want to work on your car. That's the way it is. Virginia just put it through. They're banning all new assault weapons. Well, good thing I don't own assault weapons. Actually, I don't own a weapon at all. Any pals we may have on here, Well, guess what? They don't assault people. People assault themselves. My gun's maybe just hanging out. But, all right, folks, that's the video for today. Unless some chance of a miracle, we get something else going. Later.